VR headsets for art and design, creating in a virtual space. Title: VR headsets for art and design, creating in a virtual space. Introduction. The world of art and design has always evolved alongside advancements in technology. VR headsets have become an invaluable asset in the art and design community, offering a new avenue for creation and exploration. In this article, we will explore the impact of VR headsets on the art and design industry and how they are transforming the way artists and designers create within a virtual space. The immersive experience, stepping into the digital realm. One of the most significant advantages offered by VR headsets is the immersive experience they provide. Artists and designers can step into a digital realm where they have full control over their environment. The ability to view and manipulate their artwork or designs in three-dimensional space revolutionizes the creative process. Instead of being confined to a two-dimensional canvas or screen, artists and designers can now move around, explore, and interact within their creations. Enhanced visualization, from sketches to living concepts. Traditionally, artists and designers start their creative process with sketches, drafts, and computer renderings. While these methods are valuable, they often fall short in providing an accurate representation of the final product. VR headsets eliminate this limitation by allowing artists and designers to visualize their creations as they would exist in reality. This enhanced visualization prompts new insight, enabling artists and designers to make informed decisions and refine their work before it even leaves the virtual space. Collaborative creation, journeying beyond distance. Another significant advantage offered by VR headsets in the art and design industry is the ability to collaborate with others, irrespective of their geographical location. Artists and designers can now work on projects together, despite being miles apart. This virtual collaboration opens up a world of possibilities, as it encourages the blending of different ideas and perspectives. With VR headsets, a sculptor in New York City can now collaborate with a painter in Paris, bringing together their unique talents in a way that was previously inconceivable. Extended mediums, dynamic art forms. VR headsets not only augment traditional art forms but also introduce new mediums for artistic expression. Artists and designers can create immersive experiences that transcend traditional boundaries. They can create interactive sculptures that respond to the viewer's movements or design virtual environments that transport users to new and fantastical worlds. This expansion of artistic possibilities allows artists and designers to experiment and push the boundaries of their creativity. Designing real-world spaces, from blueprint to reality. VR headsets also revolutionize the field of architecture and interior design. Instead of relying solely on blueprints or computer renderings, architects and designers can now create virtual walkthroughs of their proposed structures. This allows clients to experience the space in a lifelike manner, providing a more accurate representation of the final product. VR headsets enable architects and designers to identify potential issues and make necessary adjustments before construction begins, saving both time and resources. Challenges and future directions. While VR headsets hold immense promise in the art and design industry, several challenges need to be addressed. Firstly, the cost of VR headsets and the hardware required to run them effectively can be prohibitive for some artists and designers. Additionally, the learning curve associated with using these new technologies might deter some creatives from fully embracing VR as a tool for creation. However, as technology advances and becomes more accessible, these challenges are likely to be overcome. Looking ahead, the future of VR headsets in art and design is bright. As the technology continues to improve, we can expect even more intuitive and lifelike experiences. Increased haptic feedback, improved resolution, and enhanced mobility will further blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Artists and designers will have even greater control over their creations, pushing the boundaries of their artistry in ways we cannot yet fully comprehend. Virtual reality, VR, headsets have had a significant impact on the art and design industry by allowing artists and designers to create within a virtual space. With VR headsets, artists and designers can immerse themselves in a digital realm and explore new avenues for creativity. These headsets provide an immersive experience where users have full control over their environment, enabling them to view and manipulate their artwork or designs in three-dimensional space. This revolutionizes the creative process by allowing artists and designers to move around, explore, and interact within their creations. One of the most significant advantages of VR headsets is the enhanced visualization they offer. Artists and designers traditionally start their creative process with sketches, drafts, and computer renderings, which may not accurately represent the final product. VR headsets eliminate this limitation by allowing artists and designers to visualize their creations as they would exist in reality. Enhanced visualization prompts new insights, enabling artists and designers to make informed decisions and refine their work before it even leaves the virtual space. Another advantage of VR headsets in the art and design industry is the ability to collaborate with others, regardless of their geographical location. Artists and designers can now work on projects together, even if they are miles apart. This virtual collaboration opens up a world of possibilities, as it encourages the blending of different ideas and perspectives. With VR headsets, a sculptor in New York City can collaborate with a painter in Paris, bringing together their unique talents in a way that was previously inconceivable. Furthermore, VR headsets expand the mediums for artistic expression. Artists and designers can create immersive experiences that go beyond traditional boundaries. They can create interactive